Did you know the biggest financial crime in history was run from a single floor of a Manhattan office building for nearly 30 years? Bernie Madoff promised his wealthy clients something impossible: steady returns of 10 to 12% every single year, no matter what happened in the stock market. For decades, celebrities, charities, and retirees handed over their life savings to Madoff's exclusive investment firm. What they didn't know was that he wasn't investing their money at all. He was using new investor cash to pay the old ones, creating fake trading records on a secret floor of his building. The scheme worked perfectly until 2008, when panicked investors tried to withdraw $7 billion that simply didn't exist. Madoff confessed to his sons, calling his business one big lie. They immediately turned him into the FBI. The aftermath was devastating. Victims like Holocaust survivor Elie Wiesel lost everything. Madoff's own son, Mark, took his own life. Bernie received a 150-year prison sentence and died behind bars in 2021, taking $65 billion worth of secrets with him.